Hey besties! I am super excited to show you guys the dust collector that MelodySusie sent over, and it matches my nail drill, which is very exciting. This box was massive. It is super cute though. It matches my nail drill box. There was a little bit of damage that I did notice, not much, but everything inside is nice and safe. So starting off, we have their basic information instruction pamphlet. Kind of goes over the dust collector, what is included in the box, the warranty information, the frequently asked questions, and the contact info. Then we have the dust collector, and then we have the charge cable down at the bottom. Well, I should say the power cable because it is not rechargeable. I wish it was. Do they make rechargeable ones? I need to look into that because that would be genius. I hate all the cords. Look at how pretty. Oh, it is so cute. Look at it. And it's nice and slim. It's not big and super bulky. I love how slim and kind of compact this is. I love that it has those sensor touch buttons. And then the little plate right here that you lift up to get down to the filter is magnetic. It's got some pretty strong magnets too. And then it's got a little tab that you can grab onto to pull out the filter. And then we have the fan that causes the suction. There is a very cool feature about this dust collector I will show you guys too. So I am going to let the sound play for a second here when I get it plugged in so you guys can see how loud it would be, and I will be right back. So this is the highest setting that it is on right now. I don't know how well you will be able to hear me, but this thing be sucking, okay? The suction be suctioning. It just sucks that little card right up to it. And when you lift the plate, it auto stops. How cool is that? And then it will start back up when you place it back down. And then here is the lower fan setting. So it's actually not too loud, not too bad. So the pink one they sent me is available on Amazon and on the MelodySusie website. Yeah, see, and there's my nail drill. Isn't that so cute that it matches? Love it! But it is available on Amazon and on the MelodySusie website. They have a white one available for $94, and the pink one is $99. I do have a discount code, though, that will save you 12%. That only works on the MelodySusie website though. And I believe right now the dust collector is like 8% off. And I believe you can stack my code. So now would be a good time to go get a dust collector if you need a new one. So I am gonna let you guys just watch me kind of dink around for a couple minutes and just kind of see how much this thing will suck up while I just file out some acrylic I did. And I will pop back in here in a couple minutes. So, final thoughts. I love this dust collector. I would 100% purchase this. I am super grateful. Look at all that dust it sucked up. Like, there is nothing surrounding the dust collector at all. I am very impressed with how well this performed. I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for a more price-friendly but very high quality dust collector. Again, it was not super noisy. It's very slim. I will leave the links for this listed down below, but this is an amazing dust collector. So a huge thank you to MelodySusie for sending this over for me to test out. I definitely needed a better one. Huge upgrade. But that is this portion of the video. So again, thank you, MelodySusie, and on to some Born Pretty PR. These gels are so pretty, you guys. So it is a 6-piece gel set. It is a part of the All Shine collection. The All Shine on Me. I think a majority of them are, because they seem to always come in the same box. But your basic instruction pamphlet, as always. And we have BP FBS 01. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. The blue, like, aurora shift that this has to it with that reflective glitter is breathtaking. I am just in awe of this color. This one and number 2 have to definitely be my favorite out of this collection. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
And then we have the BP FBS 02 and the Aurora Shift on this one, that purple. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty it is. Look at that reflection. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty, but I will say from the amount of like glitter that is in this, they do have a little bit of that like gritty texture to it. But to if you're doing a nail set with a glitter or a gel like that and you don't want to feel it when you put on your top coat, put base coat on before you put your top coat on, and it will help smooth out the little grooves from the glitter. So just a nice little hack for you guys. That number 2 though, oh my goodness, that one was everything. And we have BP FBS 03. Look at that reflection. I am obsessed with the reflective gel polishes. Oh, they're so good. Oh my goodness. I already love glitter, but then you make it sparkle and shine like that, and it is just everything. Look at how nice they apply too. Beautiful coverage for a glitter gel. Absolutely beautifully done, Born Pretty. I can look at these all day, you guys. So pretty. Even without the flash on. And then we have BPFBS04. Super pretty, like pinkish kind of purple glitter color. Very pretty. These are all super unique too. I did not have really any gels like this. I have some potted like solid gel that are a little bit similar, but the glitters are a lot bigger. I love the little fine glitter. As you could tell, I could not stop looking at these. Oh my goodness. Look at the hollow reflex in this one. Oh my goodness. Then we have BPFBS05. Very pretty, like champagne color. And I'm so sorry if you hear craziness in the background. It is like windy as heck outside right now. Look at those hollow reflex. Oh, yes. My goodness. These make me so excited. Now I just want to go sit down and do a bunch of nails with these. I wish I had like 50 fingers so I could just do all the different nail designs that I always want to do. Do you know how hard it is for me to sit down and actually decide what products to use for a nail set? Man, especially when you have ones like this that are so pretty and you just want to use them all. Absolutely beautiful. Then we have the final color in the collection. This one is BPFBS06. Super pretty. It's like a darker pink, but kind of purplish color. Again with the hollow reflex. Beautiful.
Stay silent, I won't force it. You give me every chance to leave, but I still stay. I hold the light up close against the window, signaling for you to come inside. I lie awake and wait for you to get here, and I don't let it show, but I am really shy. I'm so shy. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. I'd stick on you.
So here is all the colors swatched out again. Look at those. Oh my gosh. 1 and 2 are definitely hands down my favorite. But when that flash hits, ooh-wee. Oh, I could really just stare at these all day long. These are absolutely stunning. Well done. Let's just give a round of applause for Born Pretty because they absolutely killed it with these gels. These are the reflective ones. I don't know if they are available on Amazon, but they are for sure available on the Born Pretty website. Again, I have a discount code for them, and we'll leave these and my discount code linked down in the description for you guys, along with the other products that were shown in today's video. So unfortunately, because I had nails on, I couldn't quite do a set today, but I'm definitely going to be using these here coming up. I am going to be slowing down on some PR and putting out some more nail videos and focusing up on some stuff. So check out the description. Let me know what you guys thought of this. Again, a huge thank you to Born Pretty for sending these over. And that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.